Good job. Just let her go. It's fine. Go, Abigail. Run and jump. Jump, 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 jump. Good job. It's sad when I jump higher than her. Molly, wait. Good job, Abigail. Keep coming. Here you go. There you go. Again.
Good job, Molly. Wow. You're good.
Wait, Carly.
Can you jump up in the air and jump out? Good. Jump what?
Run and jump, Carly. Run and jump. Jump! Yay! Okay, climb up. Whoa, there you go. Put your feet on. There you go. Climb up. Good job, Carly.
That says so.
Oh, so you try to slide the ball now? You can do a cannonball. Go! Cannonball! Wow! Good cannonball! Come on, Molly.